Hey Sunflowers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am in Royal High with a girl named Bertha. Hi, I'm Bertha. I am Teresa. Do you want to be friends? Sure. Farts. Oop. Why did she fart? Okay, I'm gonna be nice. Burp. I mean, that's nice, right? Sorry. Is okay. Wait. Barb. Okay. Now what? I'm calling you. What? Wait, what? Why is she calling me?
Hey, Teresa.
Oh. Ike, why did you call me? I'm in the middle.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
I just wanted to say, guys, that even during a video, she's nice to her fans. In real life, she didn't even notice me. That was me. I'm Bertha.
Oh my gosh. Get away. Get away.
I actually farted when I said fart.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I actually did. I'm not lying.
Oh my gosh. You're so weird.
Okay, so now what?
So, you see, this disrespected my YouTube filming. Yeah. Stop it. Okay, so I have an idea, like, if we should, like, since it's Halloween, I think we should do, like, a challenge. Ooh, someone call me to the maze. I want to and I don't want to. I'm just kidding, okay. But right now, okay, she said okay. Ike, what? Let's just do a challenge. And the challenge is 2-color challenge, but Halloween edition. Can you stop?
Oh, wait, I forgot I was on the phone. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask people. Oh my gosh. Hi. Can you pick 2 Halloween color? Holy. It's very noisy, so I'm just gonna. Oh my gosh. Dogs are literally yelling.
Barking, not yelling. They're not humans, Teresa.
Where did she go?
She left. She was creeped out by you, not me. I'm beautiful.
Oh my gosh. I guess I'm just gonna pick 2 colors. Wait, I forgot. I have the spinning wheel. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I've got my spinning wheel. So I'm gonna say the names. So the names are pumpkin yellow, green grass green, blue aqua, dark sky blue, midnight blue, dark purple, blood red, fall leaves, pumpkin yellow, and pumpkin yellow. Yeah, so I'm gonna spin the one. Oh my gosh, okay. Let's spin it. We got midnight blue and dark purple. So we got midnight blue and dark purple, so yeah. By the way, I just guessed these names. I just don't know. Okay. Ike, get away from me.
Show me the colors, though.
I told you, midnight blue and dark purple. Get away from me. No, we're supposed to be separated. I don't know how to say it. Okay.
Crack is following you, and Crack is cute.
Oh my gosh. How about let's make Kaylar join. Kaylar.
Okay, I'll just call in the grill.
Okay. So yeah, I'll be right back when we call Kaylar. Okay, guys. Kaylar, why are you here? Oh my gosh. So I told Kaylar and Nelson the colors. Now I'm gonna have to change places because Kaylar stole mine. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Shut up. Okay. So
And guys, in Teresa's next video, we're gonna play Among Us.
Among Us.
Among Us? It's Among Us, not Among Us.
I call it Among Us. I don't know why, but yeah.
Yes.
And also, guys, comment down below how many candies do you have right now. I only have 600. I have like over 4,000.
I have 4,000.
Oh yeah.
4,150.
Okay, shut up. Shut up. Okay, I'm just gonna change now. So. Okay, so I don't know any of the colors. So let me just search it. Let me search
Midnight
it.
blue?
Yes, midnight blue and dark purple. So.
I'm gonna find a hair color that says midnight blue.
Oh my gosh, midnight blue.
Oh, there's midnight vixen, but there's no midnight blue.
Midnight. What the heck is called midnight vixen? Guys, please wait. This is taking forever. Midnight blue. Okay.
I think my face is perfect, so I'm gonna keep my face like that.
This is taking forever. Oh my gosh, what is this? So midnight
Don't
blue.
judge Teresa because Teresa's really ugly.
Ah, rude.
I feel like I'm gonna...
Okay, so this is midnight blue. So let me just see. I have no confidence. Okay, so midnight blue. I think it's like this color. Yeah. Midnight blue and dark purple. I think it's this one.
Dark purple?
Yeah, dark purple. Okay, yeah,
Are you sure?
Yes. Okay, now shut up.
Are you Halloween sure?
Oh my gosh, yes. Okay,
Which question?
I'm just gonna go with
Stop it. I'm a question asker. None of your business.
You mean none of your big wax?
Big wax.
Okay, I don't think I'm gonna go with that.
I love the new set's corset. Like, by the way, guys, the new set is like out, and like the set is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's so pretty, but I just don't like the sleeves.
Beautiful.
I just don't like the sleeves and the shoes.
Same.
I don't like the two things. I'm sorry, Royal High.
My favorite one is the corset. I can buy it right now.
I said I like the corset, not you.
I
I like
the
the skirt and the corset. That's the only thing I like.
Deleted.
This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. What heels should I wear? I'm gonna wear these because these are so pretty. If you know what I'm talking about.
And also, guys, this is a Halloween edition, so only wearing Halloween stuff.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's Alex.
You're not Alex. Holy moly, donut shop. Why did I sing that? I don't know why did I sing that. Holy macaroni. Okay, let's see. And also, guys, there is new hair, which is very pretty. My favorite one is called Frankie.
She looks like a grandma in it.
Shut up.
That's not my fault, you do.
Oh my gosh. What hair are there?
I'm gonna kill everyone that looks at my outfit.
Oh my god.
So you're gonna kill Kawaii Reaper? Yeah, I'm gonna kill you with my Kawaii Reaper.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I am almost done.
I'm not done.
There's also new faces, which is very cute. Oh my gosh. They're very creepy and cute.
And you can make custom faces. You have to use the new faces.
I was gonna use it, but you told me. Okay, ooh, that looks cute and creepy.
Don't look at me.
Okay, I think I'm done, guys.
Are you looking at me? Because if you look at me, I have my Kawaii Reapers in my hand.
Okay, guys, we'll be right back when they're done. Okay, guys, we are back. So here it. Oh my gosh, Kaylar, you ruined everything. You ruined everything, Kaylar. You always ruin everything. You're called a ruiner.
Yep.
You meanie. Okay, so
Don't look at my outfit. I'm gonna saw you in half. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
So-
You looked at me.
Ike, it's for the YouTube. Are you gonna kill the YouTuber? The people who looks.
Bye, cameras.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So stop moving. I want to introduce it. Okay. So she have. Yeah, and the whole set. Not the whole set, but like the set of the Shadow Prince, and that's it. And also the kawaii, whatever that thing is. Okay. So Kaylar, why are you so short? Where's your heels? You're so short.
Do I even need a heel?
No, okay. So she got that. Yeah. And this is mine. I'm the beautifulest.
We have to put the people in charge.
Okay, so guys, vote. Comment down below. Oh my gosh.
Am I in charge?
Oh no. Let's just say it in the comment. Or nah. Hello. Who's the prettiest?
Who's the prettiest?
Oh my gosh.
I love us who's the prettiest. Yeah.
Okay, they're not answering, which is very weird. Come on. Got the radio on. Why did I just sing it? Oh my god.
Hashtag.
I guess hashtag is the prettiest.
Because she said hashtag. All of you, look. Pretty.
Only one. Girl, I know you would say like we're all pretty, but you have to only pick one, and I'm the one. I can't divide this one.
Thanks.
Oh my gosh. Cheater. Lame-o. Okay, guys, you know what? I'm just gonna tell the comments. So, you guys, whoever is watching this, you guys are going to vote who is the prettiest. I mean, all of us are, but mostly me. Ha ha ha. So, this is Kaylar.
I'm gonna chop you in half.
Oh my god. That's Ike, and this is me. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna have to stop here, though. So, yes, only one round, but maybe we can do another round in Ike's, video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to, oh my gosh. Okay, bye. Okay, let me just take out my pumpkin because it's too light. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Appreciate my makeup.
You're
Appreciate my makeup.
You're ugly. Okay. So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications, and comment down below who is the winner. Yeah. So yeah, my sunflowers.